Hello everyone! In this short video we are going to give you a quick overview about our MedITEX KPI module. MedITEX KPI, which stands for Key Performance Indicators, is an important feature provided by MedITEX tools. It centralizes information and generates reports in a very easy manner. It allows you to generate statistics and get reports with predefined KPIs that are widely used in the IVF field. This would help clinics to track their performances and identify any potential issues to implement the necessary improvements. KPI integrates different data sources like management, lab, or cryo in order to evaluate them in real time by displaying clear graphs and ratings. MedITEX KPI has a very simple and straightforward interface, in addition to several indexes and rates that can be run on demand. On the left side, you can simply select the section from which the results should be generated and then the KPI that you want to run. Results can be filtered based on the date, treatments, or age groups, which would allow you to control and limit them. Grouping criteria like staff, treatments, or age groups can also be applied in order to have a better overview of these results. MedITEX KPI offers two overviews. The results can be directly checked from the graphical representation or the table one, which would provide further information. They can also be printed or exported into different formats. Thank you very much for watching. Please check the description below or get in touch with us if you need any further details about our MedITEX tools.